Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good day to panels. Before we start, I would like to apologize and inform the panel about the confusion of my FYP title. The updated and finalized title of my FYP is Artificial Intelligence in Karakuri Maintenance System and not as the title that being stated in the PDF file of evaluation panelists. Before we go deeper, I would like to express my gratitude to my supervisor, Dr. Noor Azlina Mohamad Salleh, and my co-supervisor, Encik Sofi Rahmat, who give his and her guidance and support in order to complete and finish this FYP. To summarize my FYP, I as a final year student has chosen this topic to design and develop artificial intelligence in the Karakuri Maintenance System. Actually, this project is an industrial grant of cooperation between SMRI, Smart Manufacturing Research Institute, and MARI, Malaysia Automotive Robotic and IoT Institute. So, what is an AI and Karakuri? AI, artificial intelligence, is a wide-ranging branch of computer science concerned with building smart machines that are capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence, while Karakuri is an automation mechanism that was invented in Japan that helps improve the productivity and reduce the company costs. As the panel can see, this is the overall simulation mechanism of Karakuri that is being planned by the previous FYP students. So basically, the overall of this grant project is to promote and go no-man system in industrial and mainly depend on IoT to run the system itself. As for my individual section, which is artificial intelligence in Karakuri Maintenance System, is an addition system to the Karakuri system in order to improve and make the system better. As the panel can see in this video, Karakuri system mainly depend on the gravitational force and the position of the product when it falls to ensure to the system runs smoothly through inventory section, conveyor section, quality control section, packaging section, and delivery section. So it will be a big gamble to ensure it runs smoothly without supervision of the supervisor. The main question is, what will what will happen if the product fall in the fall position due to the problem of the motor and being stuck in the path of the Karakuri? Without the supervision on the Karakuri system, how the manager and the supervisor know and confident that the system runs smoothly without any problem, such as the product is being stuck or jammed at the path of the Karakuri? In order to solve and answer that question, by setting an artificial intelligence (AI) that will act as supervisor to keep an eye on the Karakuri system and alert the supervisor and maintenance department if there is problem occur on the Karakuri. The project of artificial intelligence that will be implemented in the Karakuri will be act as the last line of defense to alert the supervisor and maintenance department about the problem occur in the Karakuri through SMS and suggest the maintenance department to do the maintenance job immediately because the system is not running smoothly. Although this type of maintenance which is corrective maintenance is disliked by some people, but this is the best way to utilize the function of artificial intelligence in the system. The three main objectives of this project will be focused more on the design and development of artificial intelligence in the Karakuri Maintenance System. The artificial intelligence should be able to detect any unusual activity of the product, such as the product experience being stuck or jammed along the path in the Karakuri system. And lastly, the artificial intelligence should be able to alert the supervisor and maintenance department, which stated that there is a problem occurring in the Karakuri system through the short message services SMS. On project methods, the developer chose the Python language as the programming language used to construct the code of artificial intelligence and used TensorFlow and Command Prompt as the training and teaching medium platform for artificial intelligence to train and to learn. The developer also used Twilio software apps as the medium apps to send alert to the supervisor and maintenance department through the short message service SMS if the artificial intelligence detect the product that is experienced being stuck or jammed in the path of Karakuri for more than 20 seconds. On the left side, this is the complete flow how AI system works in the Karakuri system, while on the right side is the flow how I conduct the project methodology in order to design and develop an artificial intelligence in Karakuri Maintenance System. On the first step of project methodology, the investigation and analysis method to be used in the project, I do some research by study and testing the software that will be used in the project. It is important to find the compatibility and suitability between the developer, the computer hardware, and the computer software. On the second step, the integration of software and its dependencies, I focus more on the creating a virtual environment to isolate all our Python dependencies and ensure that we have a clean working environment. It's like to create a special space or room to train the image detection. On third step, image acquisition and morphological process, I capture and upload all the image from the every angle of the product to the specific folder before the training begin. I also use total labeling image software to get for the AI to get to know the product better. On the fourth step, training the object detection models, I use command prompt CMD to train the AI to learning to get the AI know the product better, and by developing the 30,000 step for the AI to get to know the product better. On the fifth step, customize and adding the coding of alert system. I add the coding to ensure the system run according to the objective that will be achieved. On the sixth step, the evaluation of model and the real-time detection, I bring out the data and charts from the TensorBoard sites to get to know the progress of percentage of the learning system. On the last type, freezing and conversion of graph is like saving the model for the use on the next time or in the future. On the flowchart of artificial intelligence system, first the supervisor and department of maintenance must insert their phone number and in order for AI to contact them if the problem occur on the Karakuri. Next, the AI will detect the product on the path of the Karakuri. Then the AI will initiate the countdown to make decision either the product being stuck or not. If the product runs smoothly, the AI will not send the alert system and move into the standby mode to ready to detect the next product for the next order or process. If the product is stuck, the AI will send alert to the supervisor and department of maintenance through SMS. Then the department of maintenance will come and do the maintenance job. On the result section, the artificial intelligence camera will make the presumption that the product is being trapped in the root of the Karakuri if it detects the product sitting in the path of the Karakuri for more than 20 seconds, while it being monitored by the camera of AI. After that, the artificial intelligence will produce a short message service SMS, which will notify the department maintenance and the supervisor about the product that has become trapped in the Karakuri path. The message that is generated by artificial intelligence AI includes a message suggesting that it is necessary to do maintenance in Karakuri right now. When doing maintenance on a Karakuri, one should always refer to the Karakuri manual book, which should be created by the person who fabricated the Karakuri in the first place in order to get the best possible result for the maintenance. As for conclusion of the artificial intelligence in the Karakuri Maintenance System, artificial intelligence in Karakuri will be able to assist the manufacturers in achieving the desired and seamless system in order to offer the product that the client has asked for. Second, the usage of artificial intelligence AI has been adopted in order to maintain the portion that will be utilized in the Karakuri system, such as the funnel. And lastly, artificial intelligence in Karakuri will keep the excellent condition and the good flow of the system so that it does not interrupt the good flow of the Karakuri system. As for recommendation, it is highly suggested to have a high specification of GPU and CPU, graphic processing unit, and computer processing unit in order to train the artificial intelligence more smoothly. More image and for dataset with a high number of iteration of training to achieve 100% accuracy with ideal each dataset that consists of between 1000 and 2000 images. And lastly, try using a different deep learning network approach such as Detectron with a PyTorch framework. That's all from me. Thank you.